United Independent School District of Laredo is proud to be hosting the UIL Area G 6A Marching Band Contest on Saturday, October 27. We welcome Valley 6A marching bands from Music Region 15 and Music Region 28. Our district takes great pride in hosting events such as these, and therefore we wanted to give you a virtual tour of U.I.S.D's Bill Johnson Student Activity Complex, which is located at 5208 Santa Claudia Lane. If we can be of further assistance, contact me, Javier Vera, at area code 956-473-7121. I look forward to seeing you and your band at the UIL Area G 6A Marching Contest in October.
United ISD's Bill Johnson Student Activity Complex will be the site of the 2018 UIL Area G 6A Marching Contest. You may enter the complex from Texas Highway 359. As you enter the complex, school buses will turn right and then left to park behind the Fine Arts Auditorium in the visitor parking lot. Once you have parked your buses, band directors can check in at the contest office, which is located in the athletic field house. You will note that Warm-Up A is the baseball field and Warm-Up B is the softball field. On the day of the event, we will have additional signs indicating areas for front ensemble warm-up. The area in front of Warm-Up B has been designated for band trucks and semi-trailer parking. The stadium can seat 4,200 on each side, and the field is artificial by-field turf. You will note that the band entrance to the stadium is in close proximity to the warm-up areas. Upon conclusion of the band's performance, the exit will be past the scoreboard and there will be signs posted. The stadium has plenty of spectator parking on the home side of the stadium and adjacent areas. We also wish to inform all parents and spectators that United ISD has a limited bag policy that restricts the size of purses and bags allowed in the stadium. For more details, contact United ISD or visit our website at www.uisd.net. We hope this drone video will assist you and your band members, and we look forward to seeing your band's performance at the UIL Area G 6A Marching Contest on Saturday, October 27th.